How to stream to TikTok and Twitch from OBS. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. In Chrome, simply search app.restream.io. You'll find this kind of screen. Log into your account and click on New Stream at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll find all these options. Click on the second option in here, which is encoder. After you have clicked on encoder, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, click on add channel on the right side. After you've clicked on add channel, you'll find different options. First, click on Twitch. After that, connect your Twitch account in here by pressing on connect Twitch. After you have connected your Twitch account, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on add channel again. After that, select your TikTok account, which is TikTok Live. And again, press on connect TikTok. Connect your TikTok and you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on URL and copy URL. After you've copied URL in here, you can simply open OBS. After you open OBS, click on Settings at the bottom right corner of your screen. In Settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Stream on the left side, and then in the service, select Custom, as you will find different options. After you've selected Custom, at the bottom in the server, paste the server link, and for the stream key, go to the website and you'll find stream key. Copy that and paste it in here. After you've done that, press on apply at the bottom. And then after that, click on start streaming and you will stream in both of your accounts. And this is how to stream to TikTok and Twitch from OBS. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.